Hello and welcome back to Introduction to Imaginative Prayer. Make sure you're in a place that you can sit and listen, experience God presenting Himself to you. Notice your breath. Open your heart, expecting God to meet you in these moments. You're a woman and a servant. You have no rights of your own. The woman you serve, Sarai, has no children. So she gave you to her husband, Abram, hoping you'd get pregnant for her and have a child for her. In your culture, this is not uncommon. It is, however, complicated. Now you're pregnant. Sarai is jealous. She's mean and abusive. So you run away. Your world is a desert. After walking for 3 days, you're nearly out of water and food. You're dirty and very tired. You've had no shelter and no help is expected. Even if you should meet someone, no one wants a pregnant servant. You're probably running to your death. You see a spring of water and drop down beside it in gratitude. The water is fresh and cold and sweet. You drink and drink until your stomach is full, and you stay there to rest. But there is no peace in your soul. You begin to cry tears of anger and frustration. God, where are you? This is so unfair. I didn't ask for any of this. Why did you let this happen? Why is there no one to protect me? Suddenly, you hear your name. God is standing before you. What are you doing here? God's eyes see inside of you. You can barely return the gaze, yet you cannot turn away. I'm running away. Don't you know I was being mistreated? You tell God. God bends down and touches your cheek. Yes, I know. I see. Go back. Go back, God says. It'll be okay. You're not alone there. I am with you, and I won't ever leave you. As God looks into your eyes, time seems to stop. The very God of the world is looking at you, looking into you, and knowing you. You've never been in such an intimate space before. You're in awe. Then it's over. God is gone. You touch your cheek where God's hand has been. What did God say? To go back to the people who mistreated you, but God promised to be with you? This is not the rescue you wanted. Express your feelings to God. Do you feel seen by God? Do you need rescue or protection in some way? Share these thoughts with God. God's rescue is sometimes in a way that's different than we expected. Is that happening in your life right now? Is there some way God is taking care of you that isn't what you had in mind? Take this time to talk to God about it.